Want to edit images like a pro? In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how to edit images with Grok AI. Starting from beginner to pro. Now to edit images like a pro, you can here slide here and click on edit images here, or you can click on this icon here. First click on photo or files. Now here slide till you find the image you want to edit like this. Now here click on the image like this, and then click on done to select it. Now here, make sure you describe how you want it to edit it in order to give you the perfect result like this. Here, let me type it. Now here, this is what I type here. Remove the watermark and enhance the image quality to 8K resolution. Now here is the cheap prompt. Act as image editor. Now here you can see. Now here, send it by clicking this up arrow icon here, and then wait for it. Now here is the result. You can see the result here. In case you didn't edit it first perfectly, now react it like this by clicking this circle icon here to react it again, and then wait for it again. You can see you can keep doing it until it gives you the perfect result, or just refresh the page and then react it in order to get the perfect result. And then let's try it on another picture in order to remove the background and then add it again like this. Click here, add the image you want to edit. Here, let me use this image like this. Click on done. Now here, let me ask it again. Now here, let me type a new prompt. Here, let me ask it to enhance the image to 8K resolution and act as image editor. Now here you can see, let me send it and then wait for the result. Now here you can see the result. Which is more brighter than the original one. We can download it by clicking this icon here. To download it here, you can also download it by clicking this icon here, this red icon on top, and click on download. You can share it by clicking this share icon here to share it. You can also remove the image background by typing it like this. Remove. Here is the cheat code I used to use in order to get the best result. Now here, click on send to remove the background. You can see it have removed the background. You can see here, it have removed it and change it to white background. You can see. You can get the result based on how you type the prompt. So make sure you type the prompt perfectly. Give it a perfect direction in order to get a perfect result like this. You can see here, it enhances it perfectly. You can see here it remove it background perfectly. So if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. You can check the playlist on the screen now to know everything on Grok AI and how to use it based on the tutorials on it. And happy new year. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.